myself and pull them out, because we got to move things along here a little bit. There's only 2 left. Sound effects! There's actually somebody that was at our show previously who begged and pleaded almost incessantly to be in this game. So I'm not going to pick her. I'll be nice. Come on up. And we need 2 more. We need 2 more balls. How about you in the back? Is that picking anybody back? Yeah, there's nobody behind you. Just an empty chair and then a door. If you open the door, there's somebody back there. I guess now I've got 2. All right, here's how this is going to work. We're going to be acting out a scene, and we have no sound effects. So we're going to have some of these people make our sound effects for us. And we're just going to have to react to it. We have a scene in mind. And what is that scene?
Goku, Vegeta, and Piccolo are rebuilding the house destroyed by Slime.
So we're rebuilding a house.
Yeah, gee, all that unlimited power and you're wasting it, screwing over the unions, aren't you?
Makes me mad, and you. Alright, so we got sound effects. Why don't you pick one more person to make sound effects with you? We already have this one. You, okay. You're going to need this microphone. You're going to make sound effects. Or don't make my sound effects. I need sound effects. Too bad. Not too far to the side. No! Here. Bad things. All right. You with us. We're going to be acting the scene out first. All right. We've got Goku, Vegeta, and Piccolo.
Ben, you be Goku. And Nathan, I want you to be Piccolo.
He looks like a Piccolo.
You're short. Always frustrating. You always need to play. All right. You're building a house. All right. Help me hold this. Why don't you help me hold this board in place, Piccolo? And start nail this board in place.
What about nail? Oh, okay.
Help me hold the board up.
Come.
I think I missed.
Hit it hard.
Hitting some kind of cushion.
Hit it really hard. We're never going to get the house done if you keep kicking windows. Now I've got to go yank the whole window out and replace it.
That's the screen door. Windows over here. Are you blind? Why am I so angry?
Hey, Vegeta, you like tearing things up. Why don't you tear out this screen, this glass window, so we can replace it? I think there was a cat in that door. You'd be dead.
Animals all in this house, aren't they? My first
All right. We're going to need to cut some boards for the next wall. Did you bring your power saw? Yeah. Why don't you get it? I need this chopped in half.
We need as many pieces of chairs as we can get.